Former Finance Minister and senior BJP leader ARUN JAITLEY passed away at the age of 66 today, a week after he was admitted to AIIMS following complaints of breathlessness and restlessness. JAITLEY has been admitted to the intensive care unit at the All India Institute of Medical Science on August 9 and has been declared hemodynamically stable. ASER Center, the Autonomous Research and Assessment Unit of Pratham, launched the annual Status of Education, effort for 2019 based on the theme Early Years. According to a release from the center, this year, ASER aims to focus on a range of developmental indicator and schooling status among children in the age group of 4 to 8, the release added. As a part of ASER 2019 National-Wide Household Survey, CI College, Bishnupur will partner in the survey to be conducted in 60 villages of Bishnupur district. Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur district, Neta Rambam, launched India's 7th economic census for Bishnupur district yesterday at the mini secretariat campus, Bishnupur, in the presence of DLOs, enumerators and supervisors. The IT-enabled economic census will be done by the Common Service Center in each Gram Panchayat with 342 enumerators and 81 supervisors for the district. Self-Employment Voluntary Association SEVA Manipur organized a warm reception ceremony for Dr. K.H. CHINGLEN Singh on receiving a doctorate degree from International Peace University, Germany. The reception ceremony was organized by SEVA Manipur at the conference hall of SEVA, Babupara, Imphal. Speaking on the occasion, Dr. K.H. CHINGLEN said that the award was conferred on him for his restlessness social work in interest of the poor. Retired Justice T. NANDAKUMAR today launched a new website of Manipur, LOKAYUKTA, at his office chamber in 2nd MR North AOC, Imphal, in the presence of media persons and officials of LOKAYUKTA and NIC Manipur. This was informed in a press release today from Manipur LOKAYUKTA office. The Industrious Student Association cum Library Home Kongpal observed its 55th Foundation Day at the association office located at Kongpal Lai Hidden, Imphal East. During the functions, floral tributes were paid to the departed founder member of the association. Under the directive of Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementations, Government of India and National Sample Office, Deputy Commissioner of Thoubal District today launched the 7th Economic Census for Thoubal District at the Thoubal DC Conference Hall. According to our correspondent, the economic census campaign will be conducted for 3 months, during which data on developmental projects taken up by denizens will be collected. A mass tree plantations drive was conducted today in and around the surrounding area of Heribob Haikru foothills in LANGTHABAL, PHURA, MAKHONG under Nauria Paukhang Lakpa constituency, with an objective to tackle climatic change. Today's program was attended by local MLA Soibam Sobachandra, Hyangthang Jila Parishad member Sarang Them Ongbi Sailasana, Pradhan of LANGTHABAL Ningombam Gram Panchayat, Nongmaikapam Ganga, and several residents. Around 1,000 saplings were planted as a part of the program. In connection to this, Sarang Them Sailasana said that today's plantations drive was also a part of MGNRES scheme. Thereby, the participants with job card were paid.